Hi, this is TimothyQuast. I'm going to show you my Project 1 for web development with Python and JavaScript. So right away at the home page here, we have the search bar straight away, and you can go ahead and search things that you want without logging in. And so I've searched AFG and gotten the Afghan, the only result here. You notice that the URL adjusts for the search term. So if I put in 123, I get back the results for searching 123, and these guys all have 123 somewhere in their ISBN. That's where they're coming back. So you get this table, and if I click on any of these books, we'll go to the page for that particular book. Additionally, if we go, so I've left a review for Lover Reborn and said it was okay. So we can see the reviews down here and the book information that was as required in the project. We see also that if you're not logged in, you see please log in to leave a review. So this is where we would have to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new, I've already got my user TimothyQuast, that's me. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for a new user. How about TQ is awesome. And let's do just a password and another password. And so user is now created, and we're going to go ahead and go TQ is awesome and log in. So boom, login successful. And let's go ahead and you can just you could put in the search bar. I'm just going to do it like this. And I kind of disagree with this TimothyQuast guy, so I'm going to go ahead and say it was great. And here we see the reviews are now updated, and TQ is awesome has left a review. It is great with a rating of 5. We weren't asked to average these ratings in the project specifications. So I didn't do that, but it would be fairly easy to get an average of these ratings if you wanted to. So also you notice that the nav bar here is changed based on the fact that we have a user logged in. You can see home and log out are now the options, and so I can log out there, and I've logged out. And you'll also notice the welcome text changes based on the user. And so yeah, let me go ahead and demonstrate the API really quick before we're done. So you can do API, and I've got one already here. This should be the same. This is the Lover Reborn that we just looked at. So yeah, you can use this API input or endpoint to do that. And yeah, that's the basic functionality. Under the hood, it just looks like a regular Flask application. We've got the application going, a lot of logic and stuff. And yeah, you probably don't want to dig into that too much. You've got the code to look at if you'd like. But yeah, that's my application for Project 1. And thank you very much for listening.